Ал видеонун демеши достар Faster сайты. Сиз бул сайтта акчаңызды көтөрө берсеңиз болот. Мен көрүп атканыңыздай менин счетумда 520 рубль бар. Биз 30 рубльдан тыгып, ставка тыгып, играйтты басамыз. Менин счетумда менин уже 540 рубль. Достар, мына отзывдарына келетін болсақ, адамдар көп жазып жатыр, алдамайды шын сайт деп. Ал акчаларыңызды көтөргүлөрүңүз келсе, описаниядагы ссылкамен өтүңүздөр. Менин ссылкамен өтсеңиздер, сизге 1500 рубль бонус берет. Ассаламу алейкум достар, сиздер менен бирге Fire KZ арнасы. Достар, бүгүн биз топовый киллдар менен ачашкаларды көрсөтүп болмуз. Ал видеону аса каналга тиркелип, лайктарыңызды аямай басып отурамыз. Және стримдерди жиберип алуу үчүн колокольчик басууду унутпайбыз. Ал биз видеого кеттик.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it all. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another. We hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, bad. You either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself.
Достар, осымен біздің де видео соңына жетті. Егерде АТH туралы немесе қалай АТH беру керек обзор туралы видео түсір десеңіздер, осы видеоға 5 лайк жинаймыз және де комментарийға жазып кетеміз. Сіздермен болған мен Fire KZ. Давайте амандықта жүздескенше.